Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris from the Hudson Area Public Library. You may wonder where I am today. I am at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. This is my first trip since getting my COVID-19 vaccines. My father lives in the Seattle area, and I'm heading back home to Hudson, but I thought I would do a video for this week's Take and Make, because at the Museum of Flight, they have, if you can see this is a Viking lander that landed on Mars. So this is a mock-up of the surface of Mars. And this is an engineering model of Viking that was used for scientists to test out procedures that might happen to the actual Viking 1 and 2 landers that landed on Mars and are still on the surface of Mars. So because there's Mars, I thought that would fit well with your Take and Make kits this week for Mars drop copters. So I'll trying to be drop some from the stairwell here later on, but I thought I would show you a quick shot of the Museum of Flight. So the drop copters, you have two in your kit. You have a cardstock one that's a little bit stronger, and you have the paper one. So you can cut them, you can drop them. There's paper clips included, so you can do some experiments to see, do they rotate faster or slower when you add or subtract paper clips? And if you do odd or even numbers of paper clips on each rotor, does that make a difference? So I hope you have fun with the activity. I'll be heading back to Hudson here today, and we'll give you another video from my usual location. But if you ever get a chance to go to Seattle, I highly recommend checking out the Museum of Flight. There's amazing airplanes and space artifacts, and a lot of it is sponsored by Boeing, which is a manufacturer of airplanes, and they have Boeing Field adjacent here to the museum. So it's an outstanding place to go if you can check it out. Thought I'd give you a video from a different location this week. So as usual, like and subscribe to our channel, and welcome to all of you from the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.